In this video, we will learn how to connect your WhatsApp number with your Facebook business page. First, you have to come your Facebook business account. This is my Facebook page name. Just click here. When you click your page, you can find option setting. Click here. Now, just scroll down and you can find the option link account. Click here and you can see this is the two options. You can connect your Instagram account and WhatsApp account. I already connected Instagram. Now I connected my WhatsApp account with my Facebook page. So just I click WhatsApp account. So I give my phone number. Just I before this I just chose my own country code. So now WhatsApp send a code. Just I click. When I send a code, Facebook send a code in my WhatsApp account. Before this you have to create your WhatsApp account. So I already created my WhatsApp account in my phone. So Facebook send me code in my WhatsApp account. Just I give this code. Now confirm. Now Facebook asks, can I add a button in my page as a WhatsApp? Just I skip this option. Now our WhatsApp number is connected to our Facebook page. If I go to our page, you can see I reload this page and you can see one WhatsApp number is connected. So again I go to my page, click my place. Now you can see you can add a button from here. You can click the three icon. You can see add a button. You can add the Facebook WhatsApp button in your Facebook page. So add a button, click here. You can see there is a many button. Recently I have a button in send a messenger, but I want to button WhatsApp message. So I just click here, then next. Then you can see this is my WhatsApp number and I want to save this number as a, when I save this and when someone visit my Facebook page, they can see the WhatsApp button and message me in my WhatsApp number directly. So I save this. So this way you can connect your Facebook page with your WhatsApp number and customer directly contact with you by WhatsApp number. So I hope this video helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel, get more video about Facebook marketing, digital marketing video. So see you next video. Bye bye.